What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to connect a phone to a 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer using the Bluetooth. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones would be similar. The first thing you want to do is go into your phone's settings, go into the Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, we want to come over here and click the phone menu. From here, we're going to click Add Device. Now we'll pull up our phone, and it's going to pop up as Uconnect and then a number after it. Go ahead and click on that. Then we want to make sure that this PIN number here matches the PIN number on our screen, and it does. So on our phone, we'll click Pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now. And then on our center screen, we need to click Yes. And I'm not going to set up any of the Apple Play or any of that right now as well. But as you can see on the message there, we're now connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.